morning. About 5 o'clock. Day 2. Most of us are getting up. Show you some environment we got going on at the house here. Greg's up. Tight bedroom. How was sleeping, fellas?
It wasn't.
Tour players have reported unfavorable conditions for the second bathroom, so we're about to check it out to see how big it is. Gotta
wash my hands.
Chris Odewald is going through his morning routine. He looks like he's in Gulliver's Travels. Cozy. All right, we're here at the course. A little early. Guys getting in there, getting paid up. Course is called The Oaks. Can't remember anything more than that because it's still like 6:15 in the morning. But here we are. Clubhouse right behind me, looking good. And get warmed up. See you out there. That's good. That's good, Paul. We just wanted to see if there were actually oaks in Far Oaks. Turns out there are.
Nice chip.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Good job, Paul. Nice ball.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Might add to the left.
Yeah. Fine. Good putt, Greg. Paul happened to spot little treasure. Looky, boys.
Hey, that's fine.
That's
Well,
a perfect layup, Clint.
It didn't go bye-bye, so actually, I don't know if that says more about me or our group that we're using my shot on that one.
Long.
Down.
No, it's not.
No, actually not bad.
Information in it?
No.
Slow down.
Slow down. No, that's a good putt.
That's not bad. Good thing you're.
Oh. Yeah, I got a chrome soft over here for sure.
Nice putt. Yep.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Jesus out of me.
What are you?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, good putt.
Bring it, give us a pace! Yeah, good shot.
Never. Well, I was shorter of it. All right, everyone, you know how it is. Doing the walk of shame down the fairway after you end up chunking your iron shot. We'd like to get a couple of shorter looks at birdies, approach shots. Just haven't been there. Well, they're probably never there for me. Good par, Greg.
I'll take our putters up.
Clinton! I'm sorry.
You should be.
Oh boy. That's it. That's it. That is friggin' it!
Woo!
Good ball.
Yeah!
Sorry, sir. Now, that maybe was a bit aggressive for a par, but
Nope. That was a big part.
see our house, guys. Yeah, Paul. That was nice. Good butt. Finishing up on the 18th.
That's what I have to think about the round. Ugh.
We're not going to think about the round. We're going to think about how nice this course was. And what a great time we had here today. At beautiful Far Oaks Golf Course.
There's probably a fish under that bush.
Yep, probably fish under that bush. Yes!
You want to just walk the ball?
Yeah, I'll just walk it. I deserve it.
I just